Hello kids, welcome to Woku Online Kids TV. Today we learn 2D shape and 3D shape. So let's start. If you learn this video, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Black color, shape name. This is a heart. This is a square. This is a circle. This is a triangle. This is a star. This shape is a cylinder. So let's start. If you learn this video, please like, share and subscribe. This shape, heart shape, heart shape, neck shape, square, shape name, square, shape name, square, neck shape, circle, shape name, shape name, circle, neck shape name, triangle, shape name, triangle, neck shape, 5 point, star, shape name, star, shape name, star, neck shape, cylinder, shape name, cylinder, shape name, cylinder, shape name, cylinder, color, purple color, shape name, heart, shape name, heart, shape name, heart, shape name, heart, color, brown color, shape name, square, shape name, square, shape name, square, shape name, shape name, square, shape name, square, shape name, square, neck shape, circle, color, orange color, color, orange color, color, orange color, orange color, orange color, color, orange color, green color, shape, triangle, shape, triangle, shape, triangle, shape, triangle, violet color, shape, star, shape, star, shape, star, dark green color, shape, cylinder, shape, cylinder, color, dark green color, shape, cylinder, gray color, shape, cylinder. Let's revise. Shape name, heart, square, circle, triangle, star, and cylinder. Again, shape name, heart, square, circle, triangle, star, and cylinder. If you learn this video, please like, share, and subscribe the channel. Bye, kids.